What happened to CEI stock? So CEI stock is currently trading at $1.18, a retracement of 7.87% in this pre-market session of the 15th of October 2021. About 1.2 million shares have crossed the tape so far. So we are looking at the daily model for CEI stock. So we think, we hope that the chances of a reversal are diminished as CEI pulled down to a support level, which is the 50-day moving average. Now, if one thinks that 50-day moving average, this is what you're looking at right now, where it closed. It closed that session of the 14th at 1.27. So that's exactly where it is now. Right now is where the 50-day moving average is. So that's what I'm talking about. So if one thinks that 50-day moving average is a slow moving average, think about it. Look, at some point, as at the 6th, that was this. It was trading below its 200-day moving average. This is the 200-day moving average. At some point, it was trading below that. So this is an improvement. It's an improvement. So if you think that's 50-day moving average is a slow moving average, it should do better. Look, it is even doing better. So moving on, we can see that the stock has now dipped into the oversold territory for the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator. The implication of that is that usually when we have oversold conditions, the reverse is usually the case. So the fast line of this 14-period slow stochastic oscillator, this is the blue line. The blue line is the fast line, is clearly in the oversold territory at 13. So the stock is oversold on the daily model. So it appears to be consolidating, or it appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend. Although its MACD is presently below the signal line, shares remain 23.1% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. So it's outperforming the S&P 500 easily. Momentum for CEI stock is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, as we just pointed out, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. So the unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer-term accumulation has given way to near-term selling pressure by traders. So moving on to the daily model, we can see what's going on here with CEI stock. This is what happened during that session on the 14th of 2021. So looking at that last trading session, CEI was not able to trade above its previous high. Absolutely, it did not trade out. Either on the intraday or on the closing basis. CEI closed below where it opened and never really challenged that opening price. It also traded sideways, a sign that buyers lacked conviction. So the lines of the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator. So let me show you that the lines of that 14-period slow stochastic oscillator. This is the daily. This is what happened. The 1-minute session of that of CEI stock. The lines of that 14-period slow stochastic oscillator have not crossed right now as things stand. They have not crossed. Let me show you that. The D line is still the D line is still below the D line is still below the K line. Yes, they have not crossed. So the lines of that 14-period have not crossed, indicating that some upside strength is still in store. The fast line, the D line, indicates that CEI stock is not oversold at the moment. Yes, they're not still oversold at the moment. At some point, at various points in that session, it was oversold. So right now, it is not oversold. A very good and typical of an uptrend. Okay, the volume for that session was also relatively light. A heavy volume may be an indication of danger. The volume for that session was 119.659 million shares. So yes, currently it is also down about 7.87% in this session of the pre-market session of the 15th of October 2021. But yes, there's some upside strength still in stock, and on this daily model we can see the stock is oversold, indicating that the reversal is on the card. So see what you make of CEI stock, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.